In this video, we are going to review how to download Badlion client without Lunar client, 2025. Step-by-step guide, $10 download fast. With the recent Badlion acquisition, Lunar client is proud to introduce Badlion integration with the Lunar client launcher. Now, you can seamlessly switch between Badlion and Lunar client, all within one unified launcher. This article covers how the process works and how you can launch Badlion client via the Lunar client launcher in just 2 simple steps. How to launch Badlion client through the Lunar client launcher checkout out this demonstration video, or keep reading below. Step 1. Opt into Badlion services. Before you're able to launch Badlion from the Lunar client launcher, you'll need to opt into Badlion services. It's important to note that Windows users will automatically be opted into Badlion services, while Linux and macOS users will need to manually opt in. So if you're on Windows, you can skip this step and move on to the second step, opting into Badlion services in Lunar client's launcher settings. Opting into Badlion services in Lunar client's launcher settings. Opting into Badlion services is extremely easy. All you need to do is open Lunar client's launcher settings by pressing the bottom left cog icon at the bottom left. Next, using the search bar at the top left, search for Use Badlion Services and enable the Use Badlion Services option. Step 2. Launch Badlion client. Now that you've opted into Badlion services, you'll notice a new Badlion tab on the left side of the launcher. Clicking on the new Badlion tab will open a version selector, where you can choose the Minecraft version you wish to launch. From the version selector, you'll also be able to edit each version's settings by clicking on the bottom right. This will open the version settings page, allowing you to change options like allocated memory, resolution, and game directory. Depending on the version, you'll also be able to select whether to launch Badlion with or without Optifine from the Add-ons tab at the bottom right. The Badlion version selector inside the Lunar client launcher. The Badlion version selector inside the Lunar client launcher. Once you've chosen your version, press the bright green Launch Game button and Badlion client will launch. If you wish to switch back to Lunar client, open the version selector and click the Lunar client icon at the top next to Versions. Modifying Badlion client's launch settings. Now that Badlion client has been integrated into the Lunar client launcher, you can also change Badlion client's launch settings from inside the Lunar client launcher. Simply open Lunar client's launcher settings by pressing the button on the left, and then click on the Badlion tab on the left.